दीपिका पादुकोण और अमिताभ बच्चन की एक फिल्म आई थी पीकू, जिसे फैंस ने खूब पसंद किया था। अमिताभ बच्चन की बेटी के रोल में दीपिका नजर आई थी और बाप बेटी की केमिस्ट्री सभी को पसंद आई थी। इस फिल्म के लिए दीपिका ने कई अवार्ड्स जीते, लेकिन ये अवार्ड्स परिणीति चोपड़ा के नाम हो सकते थे। जी हाँ, परिणीति चोपड़ा ने पीकू फिल्म को लेकर एक बड़ा खुलासा किया है। परिणीति का कहना है कि पीकू के लिए पहली पसंद दीपिका नहीं बल्कि वो थी। रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक परिणीति नेहा धूपिया के चैट शो पर बतौर मेहमान आई थी और वहां उन्होंने खुलासा किया कि उन्हें अफसोस है कि उन्होंने पीकू फिल्म छोड़ दी। खबरें थी कि परिणीति चोपड़ा ने फिल्म रिजेक्ट कर दी थी। इस पर परिणीति ने अब बताया, मैंने खुद फिल्म नहीं छोड़ी थी। मुझे लगता है कुछ कंफ्यूजन है। जब मुझे ये फिल्म ऑफर हुई तो मैं कोई और फिल्म कर रही थी, इस वजह से ये नहीं कर पाई। इससे मेरा ही नुकसान हुआ। पीकू के हिट होने के बाद दीपिका पादुकोण ने IANS को दिए इंटरव्यू में कहा था, दर्शकों को मेरी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी लगी थी। सभी ने मुझे अच्छी बेटी के तौर पर पसंद किया। कुछ तो मुझे गोद भी लेना चाहते थे। लेकिन यही वो फिल्म थी जब दीपिका डिप्रेशन के शुरुआती दौर से गुजर रही थी। दीपिका ने इसका जिक्र अपने फाउंडेशन लिव लव लव पर किया।
I was shooting for a movie called Piku in Calcutta, and my friend Anirban, who's also now a trustee, we were sitting by the poolside one evening, and I said, you know what? I feel like talking about it, you know. And he was like, yeah, go for it, you know. And he's my business agent, you know. He should have ideally said,
कोई पिक्चर नहीं देखने आएगा
yeah,
इसके
you know,
बाद।
like, are you crazy? Like, you know, your contracts are like, no one's going to sign you, or who's going to work with you, or, you know, any of that. And he just looked at me and said, yeah, great, I think you should. That was the friend in him talking to me. And I didn't even think about it. I asked my parents then, and both of them have always been extremely supportive. And, you know, my mom was on the show with us. Because she noticed the first signs. So there was no real thought or, you know, what will people say or what will people think or what is going to happen to me or to my career after this. Maybe I should have thought it through, I don't know, but I didn't.
I remember this one thing you said to me, and you said there were mornings that I did not want to wake up. And that is the truly frightening thing. You know, we tend to think of the word depression as a self-indulgence, as the luxury of those who can afford it. But it is actually lethal. Describe that feeling. And how you clawed your way out of it.
It was exactly that. My parents were in town. They keep visiting me at least every month, and now even more often. So it was their day to like sort of go back, and you know, they were packing, and I woke up and I have to cross their room to sort of go to have my breakfast or whatever. And I looked at my mom, and I went and sat with her for a bit, and she was talking to me about something completely else, something else. And I started crying, you know. And I've always tried to be very, very strong about it because I live in Mumbai, they live in Bangalore, so I always try and put up a very brave front, even on the phone. I could have had the most difficult day, but when I talk to them, I literally have to take a deep breath and calm myself down to give them that feeling of assurance that I'm fine. So, you know, we were talking about something, and I broke down, and I think, you know, thanks to her awareness, she immediately said, I think we should call Anna because she's a family friend, and I think we should talk to her about it. And I did.
Anna Chandy, who's here today. Yes.
Every day was a struggle, you know. And now when I talk to more and more people about it, or people come and talk to me about their experiences, I know of people who've struggled for 8 years, 10 years, 25 years. Some people, you know, sort of live with it for a lifetime. But it, like I said, it was the worst feeling of my life. And it felt like every day felt like forever. Every second felt like forever. And there were, you know, I told you last time also, there were days where I just felt like, it's not worth this, you know. It's not worth the strange feelings that I was feeling, and I just felt like there was no reason to live.
आज इसी फिल्म ने उन्हें कई अवार्ड जिताए उनके करियर में पीकू उम्दा फिल्मों में से एक रही है जिसे लोग आज भी पसंद करते हैं। लेकिन दीपिका की जगह अगर परिणीति चोपड़ा होती तो क्या राय है आपकी? पोस्ट करिए अपने कमेंट्स।